Green beans are one of the most versatile go-to veggie side dishes. I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to cook green beans. We're going to start with trimming the green beans. Of course, these have been rinsed clean. You can trim the green beans with a kitchen knife, with shears, you can use your hands, and this is also a great way to get the kids involved in the kitchen as well. So I'm going to use a knife, and I just line them up with the stem side on one end. And I can do many this way, that's why I like it. And then just run the knife through, and you're good to go. The first easy way to cook green beans is on the stovetop. Steam and saute. The steaming ensures that the beans are going to be partially cooked to just the right tenderness before we bring in the flavor. The sauteing will finish off the cooking process, and it'll add that caramelization, which is the browning flavor that we all love so much. So once this comes to a boil, we'll add the green beans. You don't need a lot of water when you're steaming because there's a lot of water in the green beans. And you don't need a big pot of water either. You can just do it in a skillet. Put the lid back on and let those steam for a few minutes. Okay, so the beans should be steamed, partially cooked, nice and bright and green. So let's move these off, and now we're going to saute them. So I have another pan here. And again, the sauteing the green beans is going to bring in the flavor. So at home you would just drain these, but I'm transferring to my other skillet. So these are going to saute in the pan with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper for a few minutes on medium-high heat. Just add a little salt, add a little pepper. So this was the first easy way to cook green beans, steam and saute. The second easy way to cook green beans is also on the stovetop, blanch and shock. Okay, the water is at a full boil, so I'm just going to grab a handful of the beans and we're going to blanch them. So we're going to put them right into the boiling water for just a little bit to get them par cooked, and I think that's enough. Bring it back up to a boil, let them cook for a few minutes, and then we'll put them in the ice water. Okay, the beans have blanched for a few minutes, and let me just show you kind of what so they're still pretty crisp tender, not overly cooked, just par cooked. So they're perfect for taking now and shocking because we don't want them to cook anymore. Okay, so we're just gonna let the green beans sit in the ice water for a few minutes to stop the cooking process. The third easy way to cook green beans is in the oven, roasting. This is my favorite way. What I like about this is that you don't have to babysit the green beans. They'll just cook, and you can do other things. You can even cook other food in the oven. And I love the caramelization that happens to the veggies with the high heat of the oven. So we've got the green beans on the baking sheet. Just make sure you're doing one layer. Don't pile them up. You don't want to steam them in the oven. You just want them to be roasting. And then I drizzle a little oil over them. And you can use whatever seasoning you like, a little salt and pepper. And you could also add some minced garlic or some sliced shallot, or onion works. And chili powder adds a lot of great flavor to roasted green beans. So these go into the oven at 425, pretty high heat, probably for like 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. And that's the third easy way to cook green beans, roasting. The fourth easy way to cook green beans is in an electric pressure cooker. Add about a cup of water, and I'm using a steamer basket, a metal steamer basket, and then just add the green beans and put the lid back on and make sure it's on sealing. We're going to hit the manual button and then drop the time down to 1 minute. The Instant Pot just beeped, the beans are ready, and I'm going to vent this so that the beans stop cooking. Carefully. Perfectly cooked green beans. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to cook green beans. And no matter what you call them, green beans, snap beans, string beans, or haricot vert, if you're fancy, they're delicious, they're healthy, and so easy to cook.